organizations wish to survive in the current world. From the crisis, bad economy, more competitor, and many more. You must add the Kaizen to DNA of every employee in your organization. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Deep as DIP, the princess of the ISO. Zero 45 watching my video are first, I'm not a native speaker for the English language, but I am going to try my best to discussing the lessons using the English language. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I am willing to accept all your advice to improve my English skills. Second, all the contents of my video clips are come from my own experience more than 20 years about ISO 5S, QC 17, TPM, TQM, or something like that. Third, if you're watching my video on YouTube, I invite you to subscribe on my channel and turn on notifications. If you have any questions, leave the comment below this clip. Let's work together. Kaizen is the thing that everybody can practice. It's very easy and everyone can do it immediately. Let's go to know Kaizen from this clip together. Kaizen is a Japanese word that means continuous improvement. The principle of Kaizen is K. K stands for keep an open mind to change. A. S stands for always maintain and have the positive attitude. I stand for involve everyone in the activity. Z stands for zero blame and fix the problem instead. E stands for each member have an equal vote. N stands for never leave the disagreement in silence. The three main key of Kaizen are stop, reduce, and change. Kaizen is stop, reduce, change. Offer the unnecessary step from your process. Start from small change step by step. The essential of Kaizen is quickly, continuously, and spend the least budget. 7 steps to get into Kaizen. First, find out and determine the problem. Second, analyze the real problems in order to know it better. Third, analyze the root cause of the problem. Fourth, determine the corrective action plan by what, how, and when. Fifth, select the person who's in charge. 6. Take action. And the last one is 7. Follow up and evaluation the result. You can apply ECRS Principle of the Kaizen activity. E stands for eliminate. Eliminate is cutting the unnecessary process. C stands for combine. Combine is summarize process for reduce either time or manpower. R stands for rearrange. Rearrange is a sequence the process. S stands for simplify. Simplify is improve the method or create the equipment in order to make the process easier. Next, I will bring up the example case and you can try to use the Kaizen to improve it. You many documents on your desk. You don't know the status of each one. New arrival, under processing, or already approved. I will give you 3 seconds to find out the answer. 1, 3, bing! You can use the 3-tier document or T-tier box like this to identify the status of each document. It will be called convenient and easier to find. New. Pending. Already approved. Second case, you are counting the coin. When you count too many coins, you will forget how many you have been counting. I will give you 3 seconds to find out the answer. 1, 2, 3. You can use the box with the contents many partitions. After finish the counting to 10 coins, put them on one partition. When you list 10 partitions, you will get 100 coins. It's so easy. The last case is the inequality length of your product. I will give you 3 seconds to find out the answer. You can use the measuring equipment, for example, ruler, to check the length of your product. You will give the correct size of your product, but the process will take you more time. Let I tell you, Kaizen must have continuous improvement. That's the better method to do it. You can make a mark the correct length on the table. And you bring your product to measure the length from your mark. You will get the perfect size. That is all about Kaizen. That I hope I make it clear for you. And I wish your organizations will survive during this crisis. I wish you all the best. Sharp again. Do not forget if you have any questions. Feel free to comment below. See you next clip from me, the princess of the ISO. Bye for now.